Hello, Liesl here again to tell you about this Dodge Power Wagon project, following the previous video on the building of the command car. I will add a link to that video in the description below. Having built this replica cab out of the Titan, but now having an original Power Wagon cab for the 6x6 project, Peter couldn't bear to let this handmade cab go to waste. He pondered on this, and then he remembered the second Landrover Discovery V8R that he had. Peter decided that he would use the Landrover Discovery's chassis and build it into a Dodge Power Wagon using the modified Titan cab. Turning that Landrover Discovery V8R into this Dodge Power Wagon. Peter still had the original WC panels, fenders, bonnet, and basically the entire front end that he had recycled off the old WC fire engine. The only part that needed to be fabricated would be the load bin of the pickup. Peter fabricated the load bin in his own interpretation. By doing this particular project, he accomplished having a vehicle that drives, performs and handles like a modern day car, yet looks like it comes out from the 1940s. bonus being that it can be driven every day, including winter conditions, with modern reliability and comfort. For now, the instrument panel was cut on Peter's laser. He etched the labels on the reverse side. The same was done for the fuse box cover. As a matter of interest, that heat control lever was from a lawnmower throttle. We hope you enjoyed this brief look into this makeover. Be sure to subscribe, like the video, and give that bell a tap. Bye for now.